Alright, so I've been working on my headers and my exhaust install. These are the busted ass headers, all rusted up, that I took off. This is what I was dealing with here. I don't know what the hell the last guy was thinking when he did this, but he like welded the end on these all funny. I got Parkinson's disease again. Yeah, see? I don't know. They're all rusty. So, I got this nice new used set here that I put on. Just painted with some high temp shit from the auto parts store. It'll probably burn off anyway. And if you follow me down here, that's one of the bends that was way off that I had to weld. Following it back, got a nice little X pipe there. Some pretty cool mufflers. Anyways, that's the system. It exits out back here behind the rear wheels in true Oldsmobile fashion. Let me start it up, I'll give you a listen. Trying to bake that paint on in small increments here. I'm gonna get some nice chrome tips for it. Sounds pretty good. Here's Master Kubiak doing his chassis shit, replacing all of his crappy poly bushings that were binding up.
Anybody has any problem with their tools falling out? A little piece of foam there, boom, shut it, all good.
Alright, I'm gonna shut my car off now so this paint bakes on slowly, and I'll post this shortly.